If the auxiliary inputs in your Ford Fiesta isn't working, isn't responding, there are actually two options of what can happen in your car. And first of all, it's fuses. So the fuses are located behind this glove box. And to find these fuses, you will need a proper manual for your car. So I printed out as an example for an American Fiesta. And here you will need to find fuses F10, radio sync module, and F19, radio instrument cluster. So this is the map, and here is F10 fuse, here is F19. So they are both located up this fuse box and not that hard to find. So what you will need to do, just replace those fuses, take them out and install the fuses with the same power, with the same amperage. F10 is 15 amps and F19 is 7.5 amps in this fuse map for the Ford Fiesta 2011 in America. But this is very important to get the proper manual with the proper fuse map, because other model years will have different maps, and European Fiestas will have an absolutely different map. Here is how it looks like. It's absolutely different, absolutely not the same as in the USA. So you will need to keep an eye on what kind of manual you're taking. And if changing those fuses doesn't help, what you will need to do, you will need to look at this auxiliary input. It's not really uncommon for this auxiliary input in Ford Fiestas to become loose. And when you insert the auxiliary cable in this input, it's not getting the proper fixation, and you feel it's quite loose. Of course, it will not have contact. So what you can do, you need to take out this panel. There is only one fastener there, and then it goes out, and replace this auxiliary input, or maybe just squeeze it a little bit so it takes this auxiliary cable properly. I squeezed it and it worked for a year, and then it got loose again. So you will need to replace probably this panel and get the new auxiliary input, and you can also get the USB panel here. The connections are absolutely the same, so it's not hard to connect. It has the connector here, so you will not need to go all the way up to the radio station. It's really easy to install this one, but you will not take it out without taking this panel out, because it has the fixators and you will just break them. So you will need to take out the panel, squeeze the fixators, take it out, and then it's easy when you see it, when you understand how it works.